YouTube 10 Tips to Get More Subscribers on YouTube. The idea of becoming a YouTuber can be daunting. After all, there are more than 37 million YouTube channels online, and of those, just a fraction rake in more than 1,000 subscribers. So, how do you join them and get more people to follow you? Read on and find out. We've put together a starter pack to send you down the right path, but as with everything, it takes time and dedication. Here are 10 things you can do to get more subscribers on YouTube and build towards your fanbase. 1. Make sure to reply to everyone. It's always good to reply to viewers' questions, compliments, and criticisms, no matter how popular your channel becomes. YouTube's own internal data clearly states that encouraging audience participation can result in a larger fanbase. Make this a habit as soon as you begin, and keep it up. Viewers who feel they're listened to and valued by a creator will be more likely to subscribe. 2. Keep your content structured. It might seem obvious, but keeping your content organized and sticking to a specific format will give you the level of consistency needed to grow a channel. Even if the delivery of your actual content is ramshackle and chaotic, its presentation on your channel should be clear, following a formula that potential subscribers can familiarize themselves with. For example, professional photographer and cinematographer Peter McKinnon hosts various content strands on his YouTube channel, split into playlists. Each playlist acts as its own defined zone. His shorts all follow the same pattern when it comes to their titles. Alongside a more social media friendly aspect ratio, the Filmmaker Reacts section features snaps of Peter's face, reacting while supported by provocative headlines, and the vlog often opts for personal photos of Peter. This consistent visual language is a quick